OpenAI has started previewing its GPT-5.6 series, which will be available to a limited number of trusted partners. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. It comes in 3 variants. The variant Soul is its strongest model yet, while Terra is for everyday use and has a similar performance to GPT-5.5. Meanwhile, Luna, the last variant, is the company's lowest cost model. The company gave the US government a preview of GPT-5.6 and its capabilities as President Trump signed an AI cybersecurity order, which asks companies to present their most powerful models for voluntary government review 30 days before making them publicly available. According to a recent report, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, xAI, and Microsoft have been giving the government early access to their latest models even before Trump signed the order. GPT-5.6 comes with max reasoning effort, which gives Soul more time to reason deeply. Soul is also OpenAI's most capable model for cybersecurity and is the best option to help users find and fix vulnerabilities. The company puts safeguards on all the variants to make sure they hold up to real pressure. Plus, OpenAI trained GPT-5.6 to refuse prohibited cyber assistance, including attempts at jailbreaking the model. OpenAI's focus on jailbreak prevention likely stems from what happened to Anthropic, as it was directed to suspending all access to its Mythos 5 and Fable 5 models. Amazon and other companies had also notified authorities that its models could be jailbroken and used for malicious purposes. The company has priced GPT-5.6 Soul at $5 per million input tokens and $30 per million output. Meanwhile, Terra costs $2.50 for input and $15 for output, while Luna costs $1 for input and $6 for output. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.